Ever wondered how to make a photo talk just like a real person?
Hey, you are watching the Tutorial Lab, your ultimate tutorial school. Subscribe for daily awesome content. Have a good day, dear.
Well, with HeyGen's latest avatar for update, you can now turn any photo into a hyper-realistic speaking avatar in just minutes and for free. Let me show you how it's done. HeyGen is an advanced AI video creation platform. Their new Avatar 4 model takes things to the next level, allowing you to upload any portrait photo and bring it to life with voice, lip syncing, and natural movements. It's perfect for faceless content creators, social media videos, and even fun projects for friends or business. Go to HeyGen.com and sign in. You can use a free account to get started. From the home page, click Photo to Video with Avatar 4. Upload a clear portrait photo. Make sure the face is centered and well lit. There are many avatars in HeyGen. If you want, you can select one from there and create your video. I will make this video with my own avatar picture. You can type your script or upload an audio file. HeyGen will sync the voice with the photo automatically thanks to their new Avatar 4 model. They have hundreds of AI voice models from which you can select the AI voice you need for your video.
Hey there. Here's how I sound. Hope you like it. The right voice brings out.
Our voice has been selected. Once everything is checked, click Generate, and within 1 or 2 minutes, your talking avatar is ready to download or share. Want to make Instagram Reels, explainer videos, or even personalized birthday messages without showing your face? This tool is a game changer. It's also great for marketers, educators, and YouTubers looking to scale content quickly.
Hey, you are watching the Tutorial Lab, your ultimate tutorial school. Subscribe for daily awesome content. Have a good day, dear.
So that's how you can turn any photo into a stunning talking video with HeyGen's Avatar 4. Super easy, free to try, and looks incredibly real. If you found this helpful, give it a like, comment with your thoughts, and don't forget to subscribe for more powerful AI tools and tutorials. See you in the next video.